He's already been turned loose.
My section's done.
Wow.
I can't get to his head.
Okay, do you want me to get his head out?
I think
Which one? Do you get the middle one?
I'm almost done. I just
Well, I know, but in the middle,
should I? I'll just
go,
work on that
go in here because
before I mess with
this
his
is some of it's going right into its skin.
he does not like
A couple of the ones that I've undone so far are like cutting right into his body.
I miss that surgery light. Right about now.
Yeah, I was thinking about asking you guys if you had a light.
Do we have a flashlight anywhere?
Yeah, there's one in the drawer. I'll go get it.
That is not fun. I'm starting to get all that musk and nasty poo in there.
I just wanted to get this part of
How
it.
about this part here? By his mouth, you think that's okay? Just kind of abrasive.
think it-
Just
yeah.
let him bite you once, because he needs to just get out of the system.
No. Okay. Is that a
Just gonna
puncture? Is that
go a
okay? It's okay.
Just wants a little bit piece of you. Kathy, just a little bit. He's really cute. Just wants a
Trying not to touch the.
Spill this water.
Awesome.
Get nice and close.
Here and get the next.
3 of them that got cut in there.
Oh, we got 3 of them?
Yeah.
Jeez.
I don't like this guy.
I don't know if we are really